The amazing Sharon Lechter. I've had the privilege of working with Sharon and having her teach me for many years. She's best known, obviously, as an author, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, all of the books with the Napoleon Hill Foundation, Think and Grow Rich for Women. But where I see her as a true hero is how she's revolutionized financial education in schools. Her top 20 quotes are going to teach you a lot about success and a lot about, I guess, her way of making sure we understand as business people, as wealth creators, and as humans, success happens. Number one, my favorite first quote from Sharon Lechter. Success is how you feel about yourself when you look in the mirror. It has nothing to do with what reflection is. Success is how you feel about yourself when you look in the mirror. You know, what you say to yourself about yourself when you're by yourself is a massive part of your success. Number two, best quote, Sharon Lechter out of the top 20. Think big. Starting small is good for first steps, but always aim to finish big. You can put the word massive in if you follow in her footsteps. Think massive, I guess it could be, Sharon, because that's what you've done in your life as an example to all of us. Number three, become the person you aspire to be. Be your own biggest fan. If you don't believe in yourself, don't expect others to. Become your biggest fan. Wow, so simple. If I'm my biggest fan, wow, not in an arrogant way, because she says at the beginning, become the person you aspire to be. If you become the person you want to be, then it's easy to be your biggest fan. Number four, you are the CEO of your life. You are in control of your future, so do something great. CEO of your own life. You're in charge. Make the decisions, do what you want to do, and go for great. Definitely a big one. Number five, persistence is the best tactic to use when faced with adversity in the pursuit of a dream. Without it, success may no longer be an option. Let's be clear about this, right? If you have a dream, it's going to take persistence. If you have a big dream, it's going to take more persistence. It's going to take getting help. It's going to take you have challenges, breakdowns, breakthroughs. You're going to go for it. But success may not be an option without persistence, Sharon Lechter teaches us. Number six, optimism, positivity, and faith create the foundation from which success can be built. If you don't have optimism, if you don't have positivity, you don't have faith, you don't have the foundation for success, is essentially what she's teaching you and me. We've got to be positive. We've got to think that way. And sometimes, every now and again, negativity creeps in, but it's that positivity, faith, it's that passion for what you're going for that gets you through. Number seven, if you let your emotions get high, your bargaining power will be low. Okay, let's add to the second sentence of that. If your emotions are high, your bargaining power will be low. Make sure you don't negotiate from a position of need when making a deal. Get yourself into a position where it's not a need thing. It's this would be a great deal for both of us type situation. Very important. High emotion, low ability to negotiate. Number eight, in order to succeed, we must take chances. I could literally finish it there. In order to succeed, we must take chances. However, those chances come with the possibility of failure. If we fail, we learn what choice not to make next time. If we succeed, that success is often parallel to the amount of risk taken. Those who risk more have more to gain. I can't really explain it any better than that. Number nine, even in times of disappointment, always keep faith and believe in yourself. Even in times of disappointment. Yes, there'll be problems. Yes, things will go not the perfect way. You know, you don't play a round of golf and get every single shot perfect. You don't play a game of tennis and get every single shot perfect. You don't run a business and have every day go perfectly. But if you keep the faith and believe in yourself, you will get there. Number 10, anything is possible with persistence, desire, planning, and action. Dang, now she starts to give us some form, okay? Not just the persistence, not just the desire, but you got to add planning and you got to add action if you want success, okay? Number 11, entrepreneurship is more than owning a business. Get this, it's a state of mind. Entrepreneurship is more than owning a business, it's a state of mind. You know, I remember joking one time that as a business owner, you know, I work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, just so I don't have to work 40 hours a week for someone else. You know, it's the crazy people of entrepreneurship type thing, but it is a state of mind. Number 12, always remember to express appreciation for those who've helped you get where you are. Thank you, thank you, and thank you. And thank you for watching all of these things. And thanks for sharing these videos. Always remember, thank the people who helped you get where you are. You don't knock down the steps that got you up here. You don't go back down the ladder and cut out the rungs that you used to climb. If you want success, you got to thank the people and the processes and everything that helped you get to where you are today. Number 13, very short, very simple though. Focus on being productive, not just busy. Productivity counts, busy doesn't. I sometimes joke that people spell business, B-U-S-Y, busyness. Productivity counts, busy doesn't count. Number 14, the fear of criticism is one of the greatest fears that can hold someone back. Let me say that again. The fear of criticism is one of the greatest fears that can hold someone back. What other people think of you is none of your business. Remember that one. Okay, number 15. An opportunity will seldom knock twice. Dang, an opportunity will seldom knock twice. I could explain it, but I'll let Sharon do it better than me. When a chance comes along to better yourself, don't hesitate. Grab the brass ring and run with it. If you do not, you will always wonder how your life could have changed for the better. Grab it, go. Opportunity doesn't knock twice. Go, or seldom knocks twice, Sharon puts it. Number 16, doing enough is never enough. Again, I could stop it right there. Doing enough is never enough. Being enough is never enough. Success requires a higher level of action, drive, and commitment. Put your fears aside and dare to do what others believe cannot be done. Dare to do what others believe cannot be done. Doing enough and being enough is never enough. Thank you, Sharon. Number 17, so many people quit right before the success happens. Just keep going, you know, and take advice and course correct and do all those things, but success is right there. Just keep going. Number 18, money is a life skill. This one's important, especially if you're a parent. Well, I'll let Sharon say it. Money is a life skill. And as parents, grandparents, interested adults, it's up to us to make sure our children are prepared for the financial world they are going to face. It's up to you and me to teach our kids about money. And if it's up to us to teach them about money, first we got to learn money, okay? So make sure you study money. Don't just let money run you. Learn money so you can run money. Very important aspect to it. Number 19, you're the same today as you will be in 5 years except for two things. The people you meet and the books you read. I might add a third thing. The podcasts you listen to or videos you watch of Brad Sugar's. Yes. But you'll be the difference between now and 5 years, people you meet, books you read, most definitely. And you can meet me on podcast each week. Number 20, thoughts can become habits. Whatever you dwell upon, we eventually become. Okay, whatever we dwell upon, we eventually become. Any state of mind, positive or negative, can eventually consume our very being and make the translation from thought to reality. Let me say that part again. Any state of mind, positive or negative, can eventually consume your very being. Consume you until you become that person. Your thought becomes a reality. So, thoughts can become habits. Sharon Lechter blows our mind. Please share this with everyone you want to help out there that you think needs to learn and grow, and or you think would love to learn and grow, and let's keep growing together.